I don't know if you've noticed, but the price of everything is getting higher and higher. So stop buying new appliances every time something goes wrong and consider fixing it yourself. When the heating element on my dryer went out, I ordered a kit on Amazon for $25 and fixed it myself. When the valves on my water heaters had rusted and were leaking, I picked up new valves for under $30 at my local home improvement store and replaced them myself. So, when the latch on my dishwasher, which is less than 3 years old, broke, guess what I did? I used my drill to unscrew the door panel from the dishwasher. Once it was opened up, I disconnected the old latch and pulled out the broken pieces. I then connected the new latch, which I bought for $22. And screwed the door panel back on. And voila, success! This dishwasher retails from $300 to $700, and all I spent was $22 and 20 minutes to fix it. You can view full-length videos on YouTube at The Replacement Project, and don't forget to visit thereplacementstore.com. See you soon.